All right, imagine suddenly finding thousands of dollars missing from your bank account. That happened to one local woman who says it was clearly fraud, but her bank wouldn't help. She tried everything, then came to us. And customers have rights in situations like this, but in this case, we found the bank broke its own rules.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. It's definitely something that drew my attention.
Last fall, Jennifer Colleran noticed her checking account balance was low. She took a closer look and spotted this nearly $2,800 transaction she didn't recognize.
I was trying to think of how could I possibly have this amount of money coming out of the account? Did I write a check to this company? Who is this company?
It appeared to be a debit card purchase identified only as SP Midwest Retail Property in Clayton, Missouri. She called her bank, Santander, and they told her they'd credit her back while they investigated. And they did. But a few months later, Santander took the money out of her account again, claiming in this letter she authorized the transaction. Did they offer you any evidence?
No, they didn't, but it said I could request the evidence, so I did. So I decided to essentially do my own investigation.
What she found left her angry and frustrated. The bank claimed she bought 7 outdoor security cameras. While Midwest Retail Properties is an actual real estate firm, they invest in and manage shopping centers and don't sell anything like that. But the real red flag, the website the bank said she ordered from doesn't even work.
The website didn't work. How could you order something from a website that doesn't even exist?
This denial made no sense.
We took the case to Edgar Dworsky, founder of ConsumerWorld.org and a former Massachusetts Assistant Attorney General.
The bank's action just to me seemed to be outrageous. They didn't follow their own rules about what you do for an unauthorized charge.
Santander has this 30-page document of fine print governing the rules of its personal accounts to protect the bank, but also the customer. Dworsky pointed to a clause which says, quote, if your debit card was used to make unauthorized purchases for which no PIN was required, you cannot lose any money if you report the unauthorized purchase within 60 days. That's exactly what Jennifer did. What's more, MasterCard, which issued Jennifer's debit card, also promises zero liability for fraudulent transactions.
It was fraud on its face. The bank really seemed to want to save $2,800 and keep it in their pocket instead of putting it back in the consumers.
All I kept thinking was, how do people fight this sort of stuff, right? I was just completely at the mercy of the bank saying, it's not fraud. Period. We're not going to investigate it any further.
Jennifer's advice to others, don't back down. And we agree. If you find yourself fighting fraud and your bank at the same time, research your financial institution's rules. Escalate the case to management. Find out which agency regulates your bank and file a complaint. In this case, it's the Comptroller of the Currency. And file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which Jennifer did. But it wasn't until I contacted Santander that she got her money back.
In this case, as in any other consumer case, with all the cutbacks at the federal level, who's the consumer to turn to? Who's minding the banks?
It's an important question. In the end, Santander blamed this on an error, telling Jennifer it was giving her the money back, but the bank did not elaborate. And we gave Santander several opportunities to comment on what happened here, but the bank refused, citing privacy. If you've got a consumer story for me, you can send me an email. There's the address, ben@wcvb.com.